Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are building a random password generator in Python. It's a fun and useful project that will help you generate strong, secure passwords in seconds. With increasing online threats, having a strong password is more important than ever. By the end of this video, you will have a Python script that creates random, customizable passwords with a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. So let's get started. So the first step is required libraries. We need to import Python's built-in random and string modules which will help us generate random characters. So import random, import string. The random module will allow us to shuffle characters, and the string module give us easy access to letters, numbers, and symbols. Now our step 2 is let's create a function called generate password that makes the password length as an input. So generate password, pass the argument length equal to 12. The length of the password should be 12. So characters equal to string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits plus string dot punctuation. Now password equal to dot join random dot choice characters for underscore in range length. And after this return password. So string.ASCII letters include both uppercase and lowercase letters. The second one is the string.digits include numbers from 0 to 9. The third one is the string.punctuation. It will include special characters like steric, at the rate, dollar, percent sign. Now after this random.choice characters, it picks a random character from the set. And this part joins all characters into a single string. By default, the password length is 12 characters, but we can change it as needed. Now let's move to step 3. Let's test our password generator by calling the function. So generator 16 character password. So password equal to generate password character 16. Now after this print your password is password. Now run the script and see what we will get. Okay, you got a strong random password instantly. Now let's move to the step 4 in which user input for customization. What if users want to enter their own password length? Let's modify our function to take user input. So now here we add ask user for password length. So equal to int input enter the password length. Now after this password equal to generate password length. Now comment this. So secure random password is. Now again run the script and see. Okay, so it will ask for the length, so I'm using 20. Enter. So here you can see there is a 20 character. Okay, if you want to for better security, so let's ensure the password always include at least one letter, one number, and one special character. So leave as it is. So define a new function with the name generate secure password length equal to 12. Now if length less than 4, now return password length must be at least 4 characters. Now all characters equal to string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits plus string dot punctuation. Now after this password equal to this random dot choice string dot ASCII underscore uppercase comma. So I'm comment ensure at least one uppercase letter. Okay, now after this random dot choice string dot digits, so ensure at least one number. Now random dot choice string dot punctuation, so ensure at least one special character. Okay, now after this fill the randomly, so password plus equal to random dot choice all characters, so for underscore in range length minus 3. Okay, now after this shuffle to avoid predictable patterns, so random dot shuffle argument is password. Now after this return dot join password. Now after this copy this, and for the time being we are commenting these lines. Okay, now run the script. It will ask for the length of the password, so I'm using 12. So the random secure password is 12. Now every password will have at least one uppercase letter, one number, one special character, making it even stronger and more secure. And that's it, you have successfully built a random password generator in Python. Now let me ask you, what's the longest password you have ever created? Let me know in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Python projects, share this with your coding buddies. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!